What is up, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today, I only took one trade and it was on my evals, or one eval, not evals. Um, and yeah, so going into the day, I did have a pretty bullish bias. I really wanted to see longs out of this hourly intermediate low here. Once we tapped that, I was looking to take longs. There was a 2 minute here, which I was gonna take. We never got the inverse. Then we had a 3 minute. We never got the inverse. There was a 5 minute. We never got the inverse. So nothing I could take there. And then we went down and we just started chopping around for a bit. And at this point, I told myself, okay, just because of how choppy we are, I'm I wanna wait for this placement up, tap of a minute fair value up, and take a continuation long out of it just to make sure that we're not chopping around and stuff. Um, there was a couple of 30-second entries. There was this 30-second inverse there. I I just rather take the 3 minute inverse, way more high probability, so I didn't take that. And then there was another 30-second inverse here. I do think this one's pretty good. We tapped equilibrium of the range. So equilibrium is right there. As you can see, we tap it, and then V-shape 30-second inverse, all of the LR on field 15-minute fair value gaps, 5-minute fair value gap. It's a good loss in my opinion. I just didn't want to take this because of how choppy we are. Um, and also that's also the reason as to why I didn't take this on my final account. We ended up getting a resweep of the low, um, and then 1 minute inverse. So that is when I went long on my eval. Um, I do think that this is a pretty good trade. The only bad thing is just how choppy we are, and it being a Friday, um, I really didn't want to put on risk. Um, and if I lost bro my final accounts, like it would have been the only trade this week. Yeah, I haven't taken anything on this new one. Um, just market conditions haven't been the best, and how choppy we are, I didn't really feel like putting on risk. And if I lost, I would have been kind of mad at myself. So, but I did really like it for Eval. I think that it was pretty good on field 50-minute and field 5 minute. LR. Yes, the only bad thing is just that looking at market conditions from this week, how choppy we are, and how choppy we were. Just this could have easily kept on chopping. So yeah, I ended up going break even at the 30-minute gap, and then it hit take profit. Um, and yeah. It was just a 1-to-1 RR, so it was something like this, like that, I don't know. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. I don't. This was a good loss in my opinion. I guess I just didn't take this. Same reason as to why I didn't take this on my live account. This one I did think that it was better just because we got like a swoop, like a sweep of this low and then instant reaction, and then fast down, fast up, which I like more, which is why I took it on my eval. And yeah, my eval is back in profit a bit, so that's pretty good. And yeah, um, that is pretty much it for today. My bias, like what I wanted to see happen, which was this, kind of played out, possibly. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today, and peace out.